How to use sum function in Google Sheet. Tired of manually adding numbers? The sum function is in Google Sheet does all the heavy lifting in seconds. Whether you're tracking expenses, total sales, let's quickly learn how to add your data like a spreadsheet ninja. So you can add the numbers anytime. Choose the sheets where you have to do sum and select the firstly go down and tap on is equals to, enter is equals to, and then here you can see automatically the formula has arrived. Tap on it. Here at the center you have to enter the data, so simply select till where you want the data to be calculated and then tap on enter or simply tap on write. Like this, the total of your product or your sales has already been calculated in just few clicks.